Hey everyone, today we are going to look into connections, how we can establish connection and how we can remove them in Sparkflows. So the connections could be of any type. It could be a storage connection, it could be an LLM connection, it could be a connection to a vector database. So to access the connections panel, you have to, from your home page, you have to click on administration. In the administration over here, we can see that there's global and group connections. So the connections can be created either for everyone who's accessing this instance or maybe for a particular group. So to create a new connection, we click on add connection. So either we can create a global connection for all, or maybe we create a connection for a particular group that we have certain users assigned to. So in the add connection, we can see there are various types of connections that we can establish: storage connections, GenAI connections, VectorDB, API, workspace. So let's just take an example of a storage connection. In the storage connection, we can see that there are lots of options which are readily available through which we can connect our storage to Sparkflows for further processing. So for example, for MySQL, when we click on MySQL, we have to establish our connection name, the URL for MySQL, the username, password, and the driver class, which is already predefined over here. After adding any connection, for example, a Pinecone connection, which is added over here, if we go into this, we can see that the API key is posted over here, the connection name is established, and then if this connection works, we can click on test connection, which will show that the connection is successfully established. So all the connections comes over here in the connection window, where we can see that which group has access to that connection and the last updated, created, and all the actions through which we can edit or we can even delete or clone this connection. Thank you.